The beauty of a frittata is its versatility. You can add the egg base to just about anything and it all tastes delicious. Start off by getting the chips underway. For convenience, we've used Slimming World frozen chips, available from Iceland or Dunnes stores. Once they're in the oven, cook your frittata fillings. We've kept this one veggie with fresh courgettes, tomatoes and spinach, but you can use any combo you like. Leftover potatoes, veggies, bacon or ham, anything goes. Beat 8 eggs together and spray a non-stick frying pan with low-calorie cooking spray. Pour in the eggs, then spoon over the cooked veg and cherry tomatoes and cook for a couple more minutes. Then transfer the pan to the oven and cook with the chips for the final 10 minutes until the frittata is cooked through and the eggs are set. Slice into wedges and serve with chips and salad.